Okay, now the tables are going to get you where you want to go today, or in this video here. But eventually we'll need a different method, but we're going to explain what's going on here. Bob has $40, he makes $10 per hour at his job. Charlie has $20, he makes $15 per hour at his job. After how many hours of work will Bob and Charlie have the same amount of money? You're going to make two tables on this assignment here. And the same thing, hours and dollars. You put that on both tables. All you'll need is the tables. You're not going to need to write the line in the equation. I've set them up so you can find the answer fairly quickly from the table. Okay, so let's talk about Bob. He starts with $40. Okay. Now you have to do the other table at the same time. Okay. You have to go to, every time you do one, you got to go to the other. Now let's look at Charlie. He starts with $20. Just put a dollar sign. Okay. Now, Bob works 1 hour. Well, he makes $10, so you add 10. That's 50. Okay, now Charlie, he works 1 hour. He makes $15 per hour, so you add 15. And that's 35. So they're not the same. He has 50, he has 35, so we keep going. 2 hours, add 10 again. That's 60. For this guy, 2 hours, you add 15 again. And 35 plus 15 is 50. So are they the same? Nope, 60 and 50, they're off. You'll find it quicker than you think. Add 10, you're at 70. And then add 15. 50 plus 15 is 65. Now they're getting closer, okay? Closer to being the same. They're not there yet. 4 hours. Add 10. That's 80. 4 hours. Add 15. And that's 80. Now they're the same, okay? 80 and 80. So the answer is 4 hours, okay? After 4 hours, they have the same amount of money. Okay, we're going to do another one. Tom has $100. He makes $20 per hour at his job. Susan has $150. She makes $10 per hour at her job. After how many hours of work will Tom and Susan have the same amount of money? So two tables. So hours and dollars. Hours and dollars. Remember, we do them at the same time. So he started with $100, and she started with $150. Okay, so he works 1 hour, and I add 20. So it's $120. She works 1 hour, and we add 10. So it's 160. So they're not the same after 1 hour. They're 120 and 160. They don't have the same amount. 2 hours, we add 20. 120 plus 20 is 140. We add 10 to the 160, and that's 170. So they still don't have the same amount. So I go to a third hour. So add 20, 160. Add 10, 180. 4 and 4, so they're not the same, so I got to keep going. So I add 20, 160 plus 20 is 180. Then I add 10, 180 plus 10 is 190. Now they're still not the same, 180 to 190. I didn't put anywhere you go insane, okay? So add 20, 180 plus 20 is 200. And then 190 plus 10 is 200, okay? So now they're the same. They match up, 200. So that's from working 5 hours. Okay,